Hello, little Carol. So it looks like we've got some food to eat today. Now it's time to eat your food. Eat that. Now it's time to eat it. Eat them all. They're good. Good. What are you doing? Next, it's time for your jelly. You better eat it all up. Now, eat it. Okay, Carol, you better eat it all up. Now get your first slice out. Come on, get it. You nearly dropped it. Now eat it. Now pick it up properly, otherwise I'm going to stop the video. Okay, good. Now eat it all up, it's good for you. Good. This is a big one, you better eat it all up. Ready? Eat it. Good. Eat it, don't drop anything. You dropped some in there! Oh dear! No! Bad Carol. That was very bad. Now eat it, don't drop any this time. Good. Eat it. You dropped some bird connect! Oh dear, pick it up! Now, you have to eat it. Good. Now it's time for your strawberry. Oh, look at that. You can eat it. Now, eat some. It's good for you. Wow. You ate it all out of my fingers. Well done. Now, let's see what you did into your diaper. Oh, look what it did. It did a big poo. Let's change it. Change it. Let's see. Oh, we need to change it. Now, it's bedtime. Good night, little Carol. Go to sleep. Okay, now it's the end. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, buy the 2 bungler cards, and there's a bung pillow coming out. Good luck finding them all.